The New Boston Village School was a beautiful three-story building right in the center of town, where the current fire station now stands. Built in 1859, it served students from grades 1 through 8. There was no high school at this time, as the children were needed to help out on the farms. A few fortunate students might be sent to academies in neighboring towns. The village school was the largest of the 18 district schoolhouses that New Boston had scattered around the town, as shown on this map. When the village school burnt down in the fire of 1887, a new school was built in the same location in a similar style. Grades 1 to 3 were all together with one teacher in the left side of the building. Grades 4 through 6 were on the opposite side. Grades 7 and 8 were upstairs in a smaller room on the left. Later, high school students had the main room upstairs on the right. Classrooms for home economics were in the attic, and shop classes were in the old woodshed behind the building. By 1935, all the outlying district schools had closed, and everyone attended the village school, including Jim Dane, who attended all but first grade here. Jim would ride his bike, hitch a ride on the milk wagon, or later on, ride the school bus. Sometimes the roads in the spring were so muddy that school was canceled for 3 weeks. 1965 saw the last senior class graduate. After much controversy, it was thought that students would receive a more enriched education at Goffstown High School with their up-to-date science labs, etc., and it would be more economical. In 1971, the building was torn down to make room for a new fire department. However, the bell in the rooftop cupola was saved and recently refurbished. Plus, of course, there are artifacts such as graduation programs, diplomas, the Joe English yearbook, and memories that are kept alive by the New Boston High School alumni who gather every 2 years to celebrate a school that is no longer. It was this alumni group that erected the stone monument on the former site of the school to keep alive the fond memories of a place that shaped their lives.